Today, I'm going to tell a different type of story, one that warms my heart and brings good feelings and great memories. I hope you enjoy it.
Lift every voice and sing, till earth and heaven ring with the harmonies of liberty. Let our rejoicing rise high as the listening sky. Let it resound loud as the rolling sea.
The first time I heard Lift Every Voice, I was 10 years old. I was attending a Catholic school, and I was transferred to School 32. But my first music class was with Mr. Black, and I was happy. Music. I couldn't carry a tune, but I loved music. Oh, we never had music classes at St. Columba, which was the Catholic school I was attending. Our instructor was Mr. Black, and he told us we're going to learn a song called Lift Every Voice and Sing by James Weldon Johnson. And it was our national anthem. I was like, our national anthem. I was so used to hearing the national anthem. But when he sang that song and asked us to join in, lift every voice and sing, my heart filled with joy. I was so ecstatic. Something for me, something for us, something for Black people. I never forgot that song. I remember going home, sitting at the table and crying, and my mom said, what happened to you today? And I told her I learned a song for us, for Black people. And she said, sing it. And I sang what I could, and she hugged me and she cried too. Excuse me, but every time I hear that song, it brings tears to my eyes. Lift every voice and sing. All right, Kahlil, cut it. I ain't going no further.
Bertie, let our rejoicing rise high as the listening sky. Let it resound loud as the rolling sea. Sing a song full of the faith that the dark past has taught us. Sing a song full of the hope that the present has brought us. Facing the rising sun of our new day begun. Let us march on till victory is won.
I'm in love with the Melanin Man. Hey, we be doing our thing and working it the best way we can. I'm in love with the Melanin Man. Hey, we be doing our thing and working it the best way we can. Taking over lands from behind the bush, recover Africans in this Kush type ambush. We are the recount of millions enslaved, ancestors released from under the grave. We are the slave trade, trading Black Americans back to Africans, trading Negroes back to Black men, trading ghetto girls back to Eve, who is the dawn of a new beginning, not just the original sin conceived. Valleys of the kings and queens achieve. I'm in love with the Melanin Man. Hey, we be doing our thing and working it the best way we can. I'm in love with the Melanin Man. Hey, we be doing our thing and working it the best way we can. He opened his palms and revealed the holes inset by nails, but his consciousness still grows. His crucifixion is fiction without the Queen Mother's conviction. It's time for eviction, Melanin Man. It's time to rise up and do the best that you can. Do your thing, do it anyway. Do it beyond greatness, no matter what Master Way say. This is the way, Melanin Man. Let me take you by the hand across great nations and overseas, where lands feel Asiatic with an African breeze. We will swim in seas of salt and seas of salt and seas you're in the salt of ghetto asphalt. Rise up, you mighty race. Do what you can. Do what Garvey taught. This time we will do it by ourselves without welfare offices, abortion clinics, to the Department of Health. Deep in the souls of Black folk, you have spoken will. Speak again and again. Recover African families, but how can that be? How can that be? How can that be if brothers and sisters, we aren't even friends? This I must speak again. This I must seek again. That I'm in love with the Melanin Man. Hey, we be doing our thing and working it the best way we can. I'm in love with the Melanin Man. Hey, we be doing our thing and working it the best way we can. I'm in love with the Melanin Man. Hey, we be doing our thing and working it the best way we can. I'm in love with the Melanin Man. Hey, we be doing our thing and we be working it the best way we can. Sooner we'll be done with the troubles of the world. The troubles of the world. The troubles of the world. Sooner we'll be done with the troubles of the world. Going home to live with God. No more weeping and wailing. No more weeping
the troubles of the world. Going home to